Going on, guys? What's going on, guys? Today we are looking at our scrolling material and text asset. It's actually a material shader. I may have just said that whole opening weird, but we're gonna go with it. We're looking at this material. I've always advertised it as a world asset, but it does work on avatars, which is probably how I should have advertised it, honestly. As you can see here, we're kind of demonstrating it on this avatar whenever I happen to be in game. I am normally running around in. Uh, but yeah, you can see how it kind of works in game. And then we'll look at the update I just made to make it easier to use with avatars, because I noticed a kind of a needed adjustment for them. Uh, And yeah, I'm gonna keep the world example video up with this and just keep the videos totally separate because I'm assuming the crowds will be a little different. So this can be used with worlds and avatars in case you're wondering. If you're watching the wrong video, make sure you look for the correct one. So let's go ahead and pop out of the in-game and take a look at how to set this up in the editor. This is incredibly easy to use. It's just simply a material. You can adjust the offset. So like this is basically your positioning. As you can see here, we're moving it up and down our body or left and right. Now this one's not going to make as much of a difference unless you are using vertical instead of horizontal scroll. So you can actually see our scroll direction here. We are going -1 on the horizontal, which is left to right. If I did +1, that would be right to left. And 0 would be no movement. And it's pretty much the same thing for the up and down. -1 is down to up. +1 is up to down. And there we go. You can kind of see it coming down there. And then, of course, you can mix and match. You can do down to bottom and left to right. So you're getting that diagonal here. And that's kind of how it works. Now, as for what you're displaying, that is a image file. So this would be whatever you want it to be. And you put that in the image slot right here for the shader material, excuse me. So for actually using it, you can add a new material slot to overlay something. So that's how we're doing it right here. And then we simply positioned the offset because it set it right here by default. So all we did was just slide this into position like so. Now, the other way you can do this is not as text, right? Or a scrolling image, but you want to replace the whole image on the jacket. Well, we can do that too. So let's go ahead and get rid of the scrolling text material, and we're going to put in a new image. Let's go just, I don't know, I've had these images forever. Let's use one of these. We'll use, this one's kind of cool. We'll use this one. Okay, so now we have our image. We're going to throw that in our image, and we're just going to put that on our jacket. Now, as you can see, it is doing its thing. It's a little funky left to right. Let's try -1, and of course, or actually +1. And of course, we would definitely want an image that works well for what we're doing. So like a water one actually, like if you have a water image, I wonder if I have a water image stored. I probably don't. But if you had like a running water, that'd be sick. I should have had an image ready for this. I just thought of it on the fly though. So I feel like you're gonna get what I'm going with that and see the potential capabilities here. So we're just gonna have to hope for the best, or I'll make another video if not. I don't know. But I don't know. I think there's a lot of possibilities with this. It seems pretty cool. Maybe you guys can think of cool things to do with it as well. Anyways, that's how you apply it for avatars. Pretty much the same process for worlds, honestly, no different. Check it out. It's only $5. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll post some more material assets. Later, guys.